Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces Water Sign. So this is January weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest guys. Energy could be vice versa. So Pisces, let's see your messages and what's going on. Pisces Water Sign. Okay, your first card. Wow, Ace of Pentacles. Temperance and Six of Cups. The World under the deck. I think some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. Some new cycles are going to be begin. And this could be long distance relationship also. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Pisces. Yeah. For some who are in separation, you are still waiting for reconciliation. Okay. For some, it already had happened. Okay. So let's see the recent past. Ace of Pentacles, Temperance and Six of Cups. So what I'm seeing here in recent past, I think everything is pretty. Maybe for some you are waiting for your person to come back, you are waiting for reconciliation with your person, and you are patiently waiting for commitment because the Temperance card is there. I think you want to balance in this connection and you are patiently waiting for that because the Sagittarius, the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also because Temperance is there. Yeah, for some your person already reconcile with you, very few. I think if you are not in separation, Pisces, maybe your relationship is going to be next level. Yeah, for sure, because Ace of Pentacles with Six of Cups, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection. So right now what is going, the Fool, the Emperor and the Star. Yeah, I think you are very honest person and you are very straightforward person. Maybe it could be your person also. Maybe your person is very straightforward, honest and committed. I think some positive changes are coming in your life because the Star with Wheel of Fortune, definitely positive changes, positive shifts are coming in your way and you are going the life with the flow. You are enjoying every moment, you living in the present moment. Okay, yeah, this is very good energy for you Pisces. You are now in this energy. Yeah, I think your person also very committed in this relationship. And definitely some positive shifts are coming in your life. The Star is here and near future the Devil, Justice and Wheel of Fortune. So what I'm getting here, there is some obsession in this connection. Maybe you are obsessed with your person or your person may be obsessed with you. And Justice, the person involved in this connection could be Libra also. Some communication is going to be happen between both of you and Wheel of Fortune, but some positive shifts are coming in your life Pisces, what I'm seeing here. But there is some obsession and Justice. For some, you maybe cut your person off. Maybe your person maybe cut you off. Maybe for some, there is separation or no contact between both of you. Both of you, very few, not for all. For some, already there will be reconciliation already happened. For some, there will be separation. So take what resonate and leave the rest because there is some obsession. This obsession creates some resistance in this connection. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Sagittarius, or Cancer, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on Pisces. First we will see your person current feelings. Yeah, the Moon, the Emperor and Three of Swords under the deck, Nine of Pentacles. Maybe your person right now concentrating on their career and they are achieving financial stability. For some, your person is already financially abundant. financially stable. So the emperor, I think 2 times emperor, I think it could be your person. Definitely they are always there for you in this relationship. They are always committed. But right now there is separation for some between both of you because 3 of swords with the moon. There are some secrets hidden in this connection. Maybe you hide something from your person. Maybe your person may be hiding something from you. It could be anything because energy could be vice versa, but your person right now is heartbroken without you. Maybe you're in separation, that's why they are feeling this way. Yeah, maybe right now they want to forget this pain, that's why they are working towards their goal. They're working hard, they are working overtime to forget you, maybe to forget this pain, what I'm getting here. Yeah, definitely the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. So let's see the near future actions towards you. For some there is separation, guys, or no contact. Judgment. Yeah, they're going so much. Maybe they're feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you. Judgment. Yeah, they want reconciliation with you. The Tower, literally they are undergoing some Tower moment because they have strong emotions for you, Pisces. Queen of Cups. Yeah, they have so much love for you. They really like you so much. That's why they are undergoing this Tower moment, this heartbroken moment. Definitely there is separation, guys. Yeah. Maybe this separation had happened due to third party, maybe your family member, maybe your friend. It could be any person. But what I'm getting here, judgment. Definitely your person is going to be make some decisions. Yeah. They're wishing for reconciliation also. And 4 of Cups. Definitely they're feeling for the sad missed opportunity. Maybe your person right now doing meditation to heal from this pain. Yeah, right now they are undergoing some Tower moment. So I am not seeing any action cards, but they are in so much pain, what I'm seeing here. Yeah, they are going to be make some major decisions in near future. They have strong emotions for you for sure. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on in near future and outcome. See, 8 of Wands, communication. Yeah, the Sun. I think 5 of Cups. Yeah, again they are very sad for the separation between both of you guys. I think they want to communicate with you, and the Sun, they want reconciliation. Definitely they want reconciliation. And there will be a lot of communication between both of you, and there will be movement in this connection in near future. Because 8 of Wands is a pulsed movement. Very fast moving energy. There will be some movement and some changes will come in. One more clarification card for 5. I think right now, Hanged Man, you are also thinking about them a lot, but you are so busy because you are feeling overburdened. You are busy at your work, maybe family responsibilities. Yeah, you also want to end the disputes between you and your person. 5 of Swords energy. Definitely, there are some misunderstandings between both of you. You also want to end those disputes between both of you. Empress, yes, you also stand by your power, Pisces. So what I'm seeing here in near future, the outcome is there will be a lot of communication. Definitely I'm seeing 8 of Wands and the Sun. Yeah, if you both communicate, definitely there will be reconciliation. But your person missing you so much, Pisces. They're feeling sad for the missed opportunity. Literally they are heartbroken. Okay. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius. So Pisces, let's see. You're also thinking about them a lot. Your overall energy for the week. King of Swords, the Tower, Knight of Wands. I think you both are feeling sad for the missed opportunity. You both are on the same page, Pisces. Yeah, I think there is a lot of passion and they are coming back with fashion. They want to come back. And Tower movement. Yes, you both are going through the same Tower movement and same page. King of Swords, communication, some clarity is coming. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. You both are on the same page. You're both missing each other a lot. Yeah. 3 of Cups, 2 of Wands, Ace of Swords. See? You both could be twin flames, 11 and 11 also. So definitely your person want reconciliation with you. There will be communication. And Two of Wands, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. They are also thinking about you a lot. Three of Cups, they want reconciliation with you. Yeah, for sure. Your person waiting for you. They're waiting for reconciliation. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. A time for healing. Yes, I think it's time for both for healing. If you are in some anxiety, if you are feeling sad, if you are going through some tower moment, Pisces, it is a time for you healing. So this is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.